Hey, it's Mike. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a room in Wander. We're going to have our dashboard open, and if you notice, we've got search, discover, and social, and then my profile. If I go to social, I can hit create room. And now I can put in a password if I want, but I'm just going to hit create room. So I created the room, and it shows me that I am now the owner of the room, and as people join, they will appear in this window. They will also appear as avatars somewhere on my in my app. So somewhere in here they will appear as avatars. There's no one who's joined me yet, but in another video I'll show you how you can go ahead and see who has joined your room and who's following you and where it is that they're looking.